right? This one is the third one problem in the projection of straight lines. Okay, inclined to both the planes. So what is the given data? First write down. What is given data? First write down data. It is given. So what is the problem? This one, the top view of 70 mm long AB, measure 65 mm. Okay. So what is this data from this problem? It is the length. What is the length? It is given true length. That is the long means it is the AB line. In long AB is measured. What is the length? That is the true length. True length equal to 75. Okay, and the top view of AB, the top view of AB, the top view of 75 mm long AB measures 65 mm. Okay, this is the length of the dot. LT. What is this one? 65 mm. So this is the reduced length 65 mm. This is the true length 75 mm. So always it is less than the. Always this is the less than this one. What is this one? True length, and this one is length of the top. Always. Because here mentioned the top view of 75 mm long line measures 65 mm. It is half. Okay, means that the top view length is 65 mm. The true length is 75 mm. Okay, while the length of the front view is given, LL3 equal to what is this one? 50 mm. So it's 1 and A. Next one is 1 and means it is the point A in HB. The point A in HB or on HB. Okay, and 12 mm in front of it, and 12 mm in front of it. Right? Now what is the asking? That is draw the projections of AB and determine its inclination with vertical plane with HP and VP, with horizontal plane and the vertical plane. Okay, means the theta how much, what is the angle, and phi what is the angle. This is the given data from this problem. So okay, now first draw the, let us go to the drawing. That is first draw the, you know about this is one is XY. Okay, so this is the XY. Now you can what is the it is given. First always you have to first draw the point A is given. How much? The point A in HP means it is on the XY. That is what? A dash. So that is this one is A dash. And 12 mm in front of it means it is the below the XY. That is what? This is the point A. So this is the 12 mm in front of it. Next go to length of the front and length of the top. So I am going to this one is length of the top and length of the front. Means that length of the top view, take this one, length of the top view. What is the length is given? 65 mm. Where is the top view? A dash is the front view. A is the top view. So that you can draw the straight line and it is parallel to the XY line. How much length it is equal to? 65. So this one is 65. The ending point is B1. The ending point is B1. So that is B1. Right? Now going to length of the front. So this is the length of the front view. So what is the length? Front view means that here is the front view. A dash is the front view. Okay. Now you can draw the directly on the XY line because A dash is on the XY line. So that I am taking this one is up to this point. I am identifying the what is the length? 50 mm. So I am taking only 50 mm because it is given 50 mm. Up to 50 mm I am taking, that is, no, the point is B2 dash. Okay, that is. Next one, they are not giving angles theta and phi. So that I am taking how it is taken like that. So I am drawing perpendicular line from the point B1. Okay, and also I am drawing the perpendicular point from B2 dash. Because it is the top view. So where is the front view? Above the XY. So I am drawing up and drawing below, down from the B2 dash. Now I am taking compass. So take a divided compass. So A dash is center. A dash is center. What is the true length? It is given 75 mm. So cut the on this line. So A dash is center. Take a compass. What is the length? It is given 75 mm. So now this one is corresponding B1 corresponding what is this one? B1 dash. B1 dash. Now join this line, will get the true length. This is the true length. So this is an angle theta. This is how much angle you have to find out. Okay, this is the true length. Now also another true length it is in the top view. This is in the front view, and another true length it is in the top view. So means that again I am taking this one is 70 mm length. So here center, cut the arc on this line. Take the compass, here center, take the length 70 mm long line. So cut the arc on this line, will get corresponding B2 dash, it is B2. So it is B2. Now join the scale A to B. So this is the length is, again it is the true length. What is the angle this one? So this one angle is phi angle. How much angle you have to find out? With the help of the protractor. So take this protractor here, put on this protractor. So tell how much angle you will find out with the help of this line. And also this line, what is the angle phi angle. Now finally we will get the final front view and final top view. Now you can draw the locus of line. Locus of B dash, that is, it is parallel to the xy line. So it is parallel to the xy line and which is passing through the B1 dash, ending point of this line. Okay, again this one also, draw the locus of top view, which is parallel to the xy line and it is passing to the ending point B2. So this is what locus of B dash. This is what locus of B. Okay. Now join. Where is join? Means that A dash is center. Take this compass. A dash is center. We'll get the final front view and final top. What is the radius you have to take? A dash is center up to this length. A dash to B2 dash. Take the compass. Draw an arc onto the locus line. So this is the direction of this arc. This is the arc. Okay. So what is this point? This one is D dash. Now you can join this one D dash to A dash to get the final point. Okay. Now again A center, take the radius B1. So A center, take the radius B1. Draw an arc onto this line. Where is the which line? That is locus of B. Now here is the intersecting point is there. So that is what B point. Now join A to B, will get the final top. Okay, and this is also, you know about this is alpha beta. Don't determine this one because it is not asking in the problem. Only you have to find out theta and phi. Okay, now what is the problem here? I am taking show the dimensions in between two lines. The distance between these two lines are 0.5 centimeter. I am taking. Okay, so what is the true length? It is, that is true length. You know about the lettering. This is what true length is 70 mm. Right, this is 70 mm. Okay. Any other data is given length of the front view and length of the top view. So write down length of the front view LFV and length of the top view. How much is given? Okay. So this is the length of the front view. So this is length of front view. So front view equal to how much? Length of the front view LFV 50 mm. Okay. And length of the top view equal to how much? Length of top view equal to how much? It is equal to 65 mm. That is okay. You will show the dimensions here also, or otherwise you can show this like this. Okay. True length equal to 75 mm. Length of the front view equal to 50 mm. And length of the top view equal to 65 mm. So these are total entire diagram for this problem. Okay. Thank you.